Mr. Speaker, it is in the public domain, including court orders, where one William Samoei Ruto grabbed land, including Angata Primary School, Mr. Speaker. And I have no apology to make on that. I can provide the details. And Mr. Speaker, Weston, it's one. Taita Taveta is one. Muteshi is one. Laikipia is there. I can give you the records. You have a corrupt presidential candidate to hell. Including buildings, even in Wajir, Mr. Speaker, even including Wajir. Pandeni huko.
Honorable Pukose, what's your point of order?
Honorable Speaker, with all due respect, Fatuma Keti is on record and is on the Hansard claiming that William Ruto grabbed land. Can she provide that evidence in this house? We want her to provide evidence and substantiate.
Honorable Fatuma.
She must provide or withdraw.
Honorable Fatuma Gedi, are you able to provide the evidence?
Mr. Speaker, give me 2 days and I will bring the details of how William Ruto grabbed land of this country, Mr. Speaker.
Very well. Honorable Fatuma, remember you are the one who has undertaken to provide the evidence. Ordinarily, Honorable Fatuma, it's good. Don't listen to those ones who are giving you stories out there. Listen to what I'm saying. Ordinarily, we don't allow people to say they will provide evidence after 2 days. We would have required you to, because when you say something here, you are expected to have, the material. But given the gravity of what you've just said, I would allow you. And therefore, on Thursday, 2:30, Thursday 14th of this month, at 2:30, we expect Honorable Fatuma Gedi to, it's only fair. It's only fair that we allow her the time to provide the material that she has, yeah.
All the land she has mentioned.
Yes. Yeah. I remember, Honorable Fatuma, you have said you will provide evidence of, you talked about Taita Taveta, you talked about Laikipia. You say even Wajir. Please, Honorable Fatuma, please don't put words into our mouth. Honorable Fatuma, yeah? Honorable Fatuma.
No, Mr. Speaker, I will provide on the following.
Yes.
1, Langata Primary.
Yes.
2, Taita Taveta.
Yeah.
3, Laikipia.
Yes.
4, Muteshi.
What is Muteshi? What is Muteshi? What is Muteshi?
It's 100 acres land, Mr. Speaker.
Where?
Muteshi.
Well, there is no place in Kenya called Muteshi. Yeah, Honour members, please. Honour Fatuma is serious about what she is saying, but it's only that I don't know. I know the geography of this country. I don't know of any part in this country called Muteshi. Yeah, please.
Mr. Speaker, you've already ruled that by Thursday I bring the details.
No, what is
Muteshi
that?
Is a land. The late Muteshi belongs to the late Muteshi. It's in Trans Nzoia, Mr. Speaker.
In Trans Nzoia?
Yes.
Very well.
100 acres, Mr. Speaker.
Very well.
And if you allow me, let me get you the details on Thursday, 2:30, Mr. Speaker.
On Thursday.
I thank you.